Friends, good afternoon. Today we are going to discuss the things related to the block world and strips. Okay, in last lecture we are going to discuss the things related to the planning, and there are different planning techniques we are already discussed, that are hierarchical planning, linear planning and non-linear planning. Okay, so today we will discuss the things related to the block world. So, what is block world? Block world consists of flat surface and number of blocks. All blocks are having same size. There is a robotic arm which is to rearrange that block world. Okay, suppose we have the blocks that are B, A, C, D. So how we are going to represent in a predicate, that is A is on B. A is on B. Okay. So this is your source condition, and target condition is A is on B. Sorry, B is on A and C is on D. So how we are going to do this? With the help of simple human being, how we can do these things? By applying the techniques. So how we are going to do? Simply put D on C and put A on table and put B on A. So in this way we get our condition. Now predicates in block world. So there are different predicates which are available in block world. Block A is on block B. So how we are going to represent it? A in bracket A comma B, and outside the bracket what we will write on. How we will read this? A is on B. Suppose block A is on table. How we are going to write this? On table in a capital in bracket A. There is nothing on top of the block A. That is clear A. The arm is holding block A. Holding A. The arm is holding nothing. So how we will write this? Arm is empty. Various actions or operators in block world. Stack BA. How we will do this? Place block A on block B. So how we will do this? Stack A comma B. Pick up block A from its current position on the node, on the block. So how we will do this? B unstack A comma B. So how we will do this? We will apply the unstack condition. Pick up A from the table and hold it. So pick up A or pick up, it is a condition predicate for the same. Put down A, put block A down on the table. Put down A. Okay, so these are the things which are related to the block world. Okay, so what is block world? Block world consists of flat surface and number of blocks, that all blocks are having same size, and there is a robotic arm which is used to rearrange the block world. Okay, so next lecture we will discuss the things related to the strips. Okay, thank you.